Early Tesla Model 3 proprietors are starting to see the vehicle's programmed parallel and opposite stopping highlight named as Autopark become animated in the most recent programming refresh. A Model 3 proprietor took to YouTube to exhibit the vehicle's capacity to recognize an empty parking spot and after that consequently stop itself into the assigned spot. While Tesla's Autopark include isn't new and has been around since 2015 amid the times of Autopilot 1.0 and firmware 7.0, this is the first occasion when we're seeing it actuated on a Model 3. Proprietors were as of late informed by Tesla that parallel and perpendicular Autopark would be empowered simply after the vehicle's Autopilot equipment finished its recalibration. Fundamentally the same as Autopark on a Model S and Model X, a P symbol shows up on the Model 3's touchscreen at whatever point the vehicle turns out to be legitimately adjusted for self-stopping. Tapping on the begin catch while moving the vehicle into everse will start the stopping succession. It's important that this procedure can be connected to both parallel and opposite stopping circumstances. Notwithstanding empowering Autopark through Model 3's most recent programming, Tesla is relied upon to reveal extra Autopilot highlights including auto steer and programmed path changing in next cycles of its over-the-air refresh. For the time being, how about we watch this Model 3 press itself into a tight parking spot with laser accuracy?